In front of me is OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Photos. Now you need to click on this button with 3 lines and click on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app. Then select Floating Window, and as you can see now, when I click on it, I can use it in pop-up view. If you wish to, you can always move it around by holding this line over here and dragging it. If you wish to make it smaller, click on Home button, and in order to use it to overlay the other app, select the other one and operate in both. If you wish to make your app full screen, click on the top left corner. In order to close it, click on the top right one. You can also close it by swiping it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!